Yeah.
Coast move. Got a high-rise apartment, a dog, and a new hairdo. And to tell you the truth, yeah, I'm falling apart, but you're good as gold. And darling, I'm dying to know who taught you how to move on, who showed you how to make it look so